Liquid hand soap making formula. 25 questions and answer. What is liquid hand soap? Soap in liquid form easily wash hands and maintain proper hygiene. Liquid soap are effective against bacteria and virus. Liquid soap has added moisturizer to prevent hands from getting dry. Its antifungal and intrinsic preserving qualities. How to produce liquid hand soap by two ways: hot process and cool process. Hot process below this picture, cool process below this picture. What is the most common ingredients in hot process in liquid hand soap? Potassium hydroxide, 90% potassium hydroxide concentration. Olive oil, castor oil, coconut oil, essential oils, salt solution, distilled or demineralized water. We add a certain amount of potassium hydroxide to oil in order to form a soap paste. After that, almost an equal amount of water is added to the paste in order to dilute it down into the liquid soap consistency that is similar to customer. Dilution factor after soapinification. Water. Total paste 1:1.5. Total ingredient, if count 1, then water will be 1.5. Can you give some example of processed liquid hand soap? Potassium hydroxide, 90% potassium hydroxide concentration using 20% in soap solution, around 75 gram. Olive oil, 70% in soap solution, 245 gram. Castor oil, 20% in soap solution, 70 gram. Coconut oil, 10% in soap solution, 35 gram. Distilled water or demineralized water, 300 gram. Essential oil, 2% in soap solution, 1 gram. Salt solution, 20% solution, 20 gram. Use as per requirements. Dilution factor after soapinification. Water. Total paste 1:1.5. Total ingredient, if count 1, then water will be 1.5. Mixing process. At first, potassium hydroxide mix with water. Then all oil mix separately. Heat up oil at 135 Fahrenheit. Then add potassium hydroxide solution in that. While heating, need continuous stirring until become thick solution. Then dilute with water as per your requirements. Then heat again. Add other ingredients. Your liquid hand soap is ready. What is the key point of hot process for making good liquid soap? Should be good soapinification process. What is the soapinification process in liquid soap? Potassium hydroxide is no longer present in the soap. It has been completely dissociated and used in the chemical reaction that involved the conversion of fat oil into soap. The alkali used to soapinify the oil starts with a simple chemical reaction between oil and an alkyl. How to understand it is good soapinification? Heat and agitation. Heat and agitation should be continuous. Looks like complete homogenizer. Water used should be demineralized water. Mineral of water will affect liquid soap to be cloudy. Good soapinification means your liquid soap will crystal clear. Liquid soap is usually formulated with extra light to ensure that the oil are properly soapinified. If you feel your prepared liquid hand soap is not thickened, what is your action? Several reasons are there. Not enough lye. Lye means potassium hydroxide solution is might be less quantity. Too much water used in liquid hand soap. At soapinified stage, temperature keep too low. Not stirred enough or too slowly. Too much unsaturated oil in there. How to neutralize to your liquid soap? You can neutralize your liquid soap one of the three ways with citric acid or sodium chloride, boric acid or borax. Can you give some test name in liquid hand soap? Name of the chemical test of liquid hand soap. Specific gravity, viscosity, foam stability, clarify test, foam height and retention, pH test, free alkyl, moisture content, microbial count, clear transparent test. How to do light clarify test in liquid hand soap. Take some soap and mix with water, then observe it. If bubble is coming, that is good sign for your soap is good. Then keep for some times, then bubble is disappear and your soap is properly mixed. No sediment should be clear, means your soap is good. How to do foam height and retention time test in liquid hand soap. This having glass column of length 46 cm and diameter of 27 cm fitted with a porous glass fridge placed at the bottom of the column. Foam was generated by spurging air at the flow rate 0.3 liter per second through the aqua surfactant solution through the porous glass fridge to ensure gas supply at the constant flow rate. After 2 minutes, stop gas or air supply and count second during foam collapsing time. Example, sample 20 ml air or nitrogen supply 0.3 liter per second. Total time airflow 2 minutes. Foam height 15 ml. Foam collapsing time 5 seconds. So your maximum foam volume is 15 ml. How to do clear transparent test whatever your prepared liquid hand soap. If not good, what is your action? Take 5 ml liquid hand soap in 15 ml demineralized water and mix it. Add 2 to 3 drops of 1% phenolphthalein indicator. Mixed properly and observe solution become light pink or no. If light pink color means it is good sign to your prepared hand soap is going to be good. If its color is dark pink and solution become cloudy or milky means your hand soap is still light having, so need to be heat again or your ingredient ratio need to be revised, means pH 7 to 7.5 in between, good saponification. How to do viscosity test in liquid hand soap. By viscosity meter. Normally viscosity less than 200 centipoise CPS. How to do specific gravity test in liquid hand soap. By hydrometer. Specific gravity measuring at 25 degrees Celsius. Specific gravity 1.1. How to do density test in liquid hand soap. By density meter. Normally soap density 0.932 gram per ml. What should be done if I need my prepared liquid hand soap to be considered as an antibacterial soap? By adding antibacterial agent, you can produce antibacterial hand soap. Triclosan is the most commonly used ingredient. Antibacterial soap are useful in settings where immune system are at risk, such as healthcare facilities. Triclosan side effect is more, so try to avoid it. Instead of triclosan, use benzalkonium chloride. While regular soap do not contain added antibacterial ingredients, they are still effective defense against germs and bacteria. What is the most common ingredient in liquid soap? Sodium benzoate and benzoic acid, sodium lauryl sulfate SLS, cocamidopropyl betaine, fragrance, pH adjuster, disinfectant, sodium chloride, copolymer, citric acid, myristic acid, stearic acid, polyquantamine 7, AOS, water, foam booster, cocobutane, glycerin, tetrasodium EDTA, antibacterial, triclosan. Liquid hand soap can be found highly contaminated with pathogen. Is it correct? Yes, correct. Can be contaminated. How do we increase foam in liquid hand soap? By adding foam booster agent in liquid hand soap. Sodium lauryl sulfate, dodecyl dimethyl amine oxide, cocamide MEA from the fatty acid increases foaming capacity or stabilize foam. How can make liquid soap thickener? First, prepare 30% salt solution. Add 30 gram salt into 100 ml water. Add your salt solution into your prepared liquid hand soap solution, small quantity, and stir it until you require thick solution achieved. What is the function of glycerin in liquid hand soap? Glycerin is thick, clear fluid. It is hydrating agent, which means it has the ability to attract moisture in the air to the skin. It is important to remove dirt and oil but maintain the health of the other skin layer. Ingredients like glycerin can help maintain hydration and prevent skin irritation during the cleansing process. Is it required as preservative agent in liquid hand soap? Yes, required. Sodium benzoate used in liquid hand soap as a preservative. Sodium benzoate extends the shelf life of liquid soap and prevent fungi like yeast and mold from colonizing in liquid hand soap. What is the function of antiseptic agent in liquid hand soap? Antiseptic agent is to make the surface or the material itself slightly conductive by absorbing moisture from the air. Antiseptic agents are effective in increasing the surface conductance, most often by making use of the higher conductivity of water. Polyquantamine 7 is an antistatic agent and film former. Can you give some example of cold processed liquid hand soap? Formula B. Ingredient name: SLES 200 gram, AOS 25 gram, cocobetane 10 gram, glycerin 5 gram, salt 30 gram, color 0.5 gram, shiner 0.5 gram, perfume 1 ml, water 295 ml. Mixing process: take water, mix glycerin with SLES, mix AOS and cocobetane, mix salt for thickness, then mix shiner, mix whitener and perfume. Your hand wash is ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.